Good morning, beauty entrepreneurs. It is Kanisha, the Beauty CPA here, and I am coming back to you so we can talk about another tax loophole. So, it is tax loophole for those who are newer joining me. Yeah, it's going to be an interesting week. I've explained to you before that tax loopholes are not illegal. They are not bad things. They are tax deductions and tax credits that are here to help us save money on taxes. So we are going to fully utilize them. I know they get a bad rap and people talk about them very controversially, but it's okay. We're not going to worry about that until Congress changes the tax law. We are going to still fully take advantage of their money saving power. So, just to give you a recap, this is like the last week in the tax planning series, guys. We have been talking about tax planning for a while, maybe over the last 3 or 4 weeks. I've been using this tax planning framework, and that's the same framework that I use in my firm to review your tax returns to see if you have any tax saving opportunities. I'll briefly go over that framework for you one more time. The first step is looking at entity structures. The second is accounting methods. The third is maximizing tax deductions. The fourth is maximizing tax credits. The fifth was retirement planning, and now we are on to advanced tax planning strategies or tax loopholes. I do want to remind you all that I do still have some slots available for that free tax planning session. So it is a tax strategy session. You can reach it by going to the first link in my bio to schedule some time to chat with me. I will ask for your redacted latest file tax return, whether that's 2019 or 2018. And by the time you and I get together to chat, I'll be able to have the conversation with you whether you are overpaying in taxes and whether you have any opportunity to save more money. So please, guys, take advantage of that opportunity. My books are open to the end of August, this is the last week of August. Can you guys believe it? Next Tuesday is September the 1st. So before I get, busy with the extended tax season, I do have slots available for you guys to meet with me and chat with me about your tax profile. So take advantage of that. So I am going to get into today's tax loophole. It is the administrative home office, right? So I know all of you are probably familiar with the home office deduction. Maybe not so familiar with that first administrative part, but let's get into it, okay? So first off, let's just talk about the home office deduction. Usually, when you have another place of business that you substantially and on a regular basis work at, usually you don't get a home office deduction because it's somewhere else that you're going every day and providing your services. And so it's natural to assume that if you are a beauty entrepreneur that provides services, like at a spa or a salon, naturally you assume like, well, I can't take the home office deduction because I come to my spa or my salon suite every day to provide my services, deliver my services to my clients. But I want to introduce to you the administrative home office. And this is the regular place of business that you perform your management and administrative duties. Now let's unpack that just a little bit. You go to your salon or spa to deliver, your craft, whether that is a hairstylist or a nail tech or an esthetician. Even more specifically, you can get into, you know, hair removal, eyebrow artists, even eyelashes, a whole slew of things, right? But then, you know, where do you do like that administrative management stuff that's going on in your business? Where do you pay your bills? Where do you keep up with social media? Where do you order supplies? Where do you business planning, strategic planning? Where do you perform research? Maybe you are looking to, expand or move or relocate or whatever. Where do you do all the stuff that you actually sit at a desk in a computer, with your planner, your notebook, or your laptop, whatever, and do those type of activities? Now you probably think like, well, I could do it at the spa, but really, like, it's not about what you could do. It's about where do you really sit down and do those management administrative activities. And if that is a space or room in your home, you can declare that your administrative home office. That is the room or the space where you primarily and substantially on a regular basis do all of your management administrative duties for your business. Now, let me tell you the money making, the tax saving power in all of this, right? Two things. Number one, your business gets the home office deduction, so that saves you money. Number two, because now you have two places of business, right? Your home office where you perform your administrative management duties, and then you have your salon or spa suite where you deliver services to your clients. Now you have two places of business. So the mileage in between those two places, now that's tax deductible. And that's powerful because usually when you're leaving the house and you're going to work, that's considered commuting, which is like personal in nature. That is personal. You're leaving your house and you're just going to work. It's commuting, it's personal, it's not tax deductible. But for you beauty entrepreneur, when you provide services and you go to a salon or a spa or a suite to deliver those services, now you're going to your second place of business and you're traveling between two business locations. And that mileage between the two locations is now business and deductible on your tax return. Now, this strategy is available for all entity types, but they are different in the way that they're implemented, right? So for my Schedule C folks, you're going to do it right on the Schedule C. It's going to flow through your 1040. It's a little different when you get to the entities with different separate tax returns. So your partnerships and your corporations, the implementation is different. So do not take this strategy as I'm delivering it to you on this video and try to implement this yourself. Please consult a tax professional to do this, either one that you're currently working with, or you can hit that first link in my bio and we can chat and we can talk about that, and see how much money it can save you. It's not if it can save you, it's how much it could save you. Okay? So again, I'm going to just quickly recap that and let you guys go, because that was my tax loophole of the day, the administrative home office. Do not think, beauty entrepreneur, that because you go to a spa or salon to deliver your service to your clients, that you cannot take the home office deduction, because there is somewhere that you perform the majority of your administrative and management duties. I mean, because just think about it. If you're behind the chair or your client is laying on the table, I'm just thinking about, some of the clients that I serve, they don't have a regular space in their spa or salon suite, or even a whole room dedicated just for office space that they perform their management and administrative duties. Usually they take that stuff home and they're doing it. Because just the layout of, even if, let's say you're a spa owner or a salon owner, and let's say you have an office there, but it's one of those, I've seen this situation where it's one of those offices where, the stylists are on break, so they're coming and entering all the time, talking to you, or maybe, they're spending some of their break in there because there's no other private area away from the clients that they can go to spend like a short break, or maybe they go into your office to make phone calls. You kind of got an open door policy where people are coming and going anyway, and so are you. So even though you could do work there, you really don't, because you don't have the privacy, or it's not really a space where you can close your door and be able to fulfill your management or administrative duties, just because folks are coming in and out, or people are calling you in and out all day. So it's more likely that you're going to do that stuff substantially at home, where it's quiet and it's peace, and you can kind of control the traffic better. So again, the two ways that this saves you money is because, one, your business gets a deduction for you using your home as an office, and then two, you have just converted personal mileage to business mileage that you could take on your tax return. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you look more into it. I hope you hit that first link in my bio to schedule time to talk with me, so we can discuss about how that strategy can save you more money on taxes. If you have any questions, guys, please drop them in the comments or send me a DM. We can connect and chat privately and discuss, whatever you want to talk about. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Wednesday. This is a winning day. We're halfway through the week. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Tomorrow, I am going to be coming back on. We're going to be talking about the tax loophole I'm talking about tomorrow. It's going to be travel, and I have a bonus one for you guys. A bonus one is a good one that I'm going to be talking about. So please plan to join me tomorrow, 11:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, right here. I'm going to be talking about 2 tax loopholes, and then we're going to be wrapping our tax loophole week up. Come with any questions or comments you guys have been maybe brewing all week, and we can discuss those as well. So have a good rest of your day, and thank you for joining me.